The concept of making money online has actually become a way for so many persons to make ends meet and also earn extra cash as fast as possible online. Consequently, more and more persons spend the whole of their day checking out new ways they can actually start making money online. That's what today's video is all about. Welcome to my channel. My name is Francis Eze, and if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also powerfully welcome. And I would like you to like this video if you're actually getting quality content from it or quality value from it. And also, if you genuinely want to make money online or you want to learn new ways you can actually make money online, then go ahead to subscribe to this channel and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this on how to make money online, you will be notified. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can actually start making money online as a beginner. Remember, all beginners are not kicking off from the same pedestal. Some beginners are coming into the online venture with some cash to invest and do so many other things. Then while others are coming in without any money, they are starting out from ground zero. Okay, and if you stick with me in this video till the very end, I'm going to direct you to the actual online making money opportunity you can actually start from without having to invest any dime or putting any monetary investment or even without any experience. You actually get started with this job and learn on the job. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the ways you can actually start making cool money online as a beginner or as a new person that just discovered the strategies or the ways to make money online. Okay, so the first is freelancing. Freelancing is more of you giving out your service or giving out your skill and getting paid for it. Okay, you exchange service, assuming you know how to design a logo, that's the skill you have, that's the service you can render. Give out this service. There are so many platforms out there where you can get that done. Give out this service and you get money in return. Okay, and one major thing with freelancing is you must have a skill. Though not all freelancing jobs require you to have a skill upfront. Okay, because you can actually learn on the job. And there are so many sites out there that can help you to, start a freelancing job. And such sites are like People Per Hour, Fiverr, Upwork, and so many of them. Okay, so all you just have to do is to get onto these platforms and sign up. Then update your profile very well and start searching for jobs or for freelancing jobs that you actually have skills on. Okay, and one more thing with freelancing sites, some of these sites actually make this very, very easy for you. That's all you have to do is to set up your profile, do your normal, optimize your page, and you start getting job offers. Then when you get job offers, you deliver very well. With good reviews, you get returning customers and new customers as well. So it's as easy as that. Okay. Then the next way you can actually start making money online as a newbie or as a beginner is testing websites. There are so many platforms out there that actually want you or that provide you the service of being selected to be among the persons to test companies' websites or mobile apps. Those companies that actually own this app, they've spent a whole lot of money on this app, developing it, and they wouldn't want to push it out into the market without having proper tests. So your work is to come in, go through this app, use the app, give them feedback on the functionalities, accessibility, ease of use, and general user experience. You are more like a normal user or an end user that is going to use this app. Okay, some of these sites or some of these jobs pay you as much as $10 to $30 per hour. Okay, and most of the tests just run between 10 to 30 minutes. Then extended ones can go as much as an hour. And you can actually give your feedback, in video format, audio format, or text format. But one downside to this actually is you have to go through a series of tests before you can be selected to actually participate in testing websites or mobile apps. But that shouldn't deter you. All you just have to do is to follow their instruction and act accordingly. Okay, make sure you don't go against the instruction. And also, there are so many videos, or there are about 2 videos on this channel where I talked about how you can actually make money online testing websites and mobile apps. And I also listed I also listed many websites where you can actually get started testing out websites and mobile apps. Okay, so the third one on ways you can actually start making money online as a beginner is to create and sell an online course. Creating and selling online course is actually very, very profitable. And the mistake beginners always do in this is they think they have to be super, super good or expert in one thing before they can actually put out a course. No, there are so many information that you already know. But maybe as a way of you researching online or going through, reading through things and all that. There is a specific field or niche or topic that you are good at as a person. Most of the time, all your life, you've been going through, content, reading. So you have so many knowledge or so much knowledge about this particular topic. All you just have to do is to create a course online and sell these courses online. There are so many platforms where you can actually sell these courses. Create them, package them. If you are good with recording videos, you can actually record yourself, do a video. If not, let it be in the form of text or voice recording. Publish this site on certain sites that are actually free for you to get started with. They only charge you a minor fee after you've made sales. So they're not going to charge you upfront. Okay, so creating and selling course online is another great way of starting out as a beginner. Meanwhile, before you go on to create your course, there are 4 things you need to watch out for. First and foremost, make sure you choose a subject or a topic that actually sells. It's not enough for you to have a topic or a subject that you are good at. You need to be sure that that particular subject, people actually need that information and want to gain from it. Okay, actually, when I started out making money online, one of the first things I did without any investment or with zero monetary input is freelancing and creating a course. Actually, I created an ebook, and the moment the demand was getting high, I needed to upsell them. I transformed that ebook to a course, which I actually sold, and it made me lots and lots of money. From there, I now kicked off to do so many other things that requires you putting in some money before you get started. Okay, so after choosing the subjects or the topic that you need to, that people that actually sell, the next thing is to identify your target audience. You cannot come to sell ways to cure or ways to remedy arthritis to young men that don't have that problem. You need to look out for your target audience. Where can you get them? How can you get them? Okay, because if you get this wrong, no matter how wonderful your course is, you are not going to have good sale. Okay, so, and the third thing to do is to decide how much you want to sell, and also the platform where you want to, upload or sell your course. Okay, you have to go through how much do they charge, what are their terms and conditions, if it's favorable to you, and most importantly, their payout system. Can you actually withdraw your money, or can you actually get your money after you've made so much sales on that platform? Very important. And after that, then market your course. It doesn't have to end on you creating wonderful course. You have to actually put out the word out there on your social media or any platform that you can get your hand on. Put out this course, let people know that you offer something like this, and you start getting in sales. The moment you start making sales, you can now go on to do paid advertisement to make more and more sales. Okay, so earlier on, I promised you I'm going to show you how you can actually start making money online without any monetary investment or having any experience whatsoever. And that brings us to the 4th way of making money online as a beginner, which is become a virtual assistant. Okay, so this is actually the kind of job that doesn't need any experience. You actually learn on the job. Though some virtual assistant jobs need experience, but there are so many virtual assistant jobs that you don't need any experience. All you just have to do is to get selected and you start working for the person online at the comfort of your home or of your house. And they give you instructions of what to do. They may even direct you on what to do. You go ahead, get this job done, and they pay you. Okay, so don't get me wrong. There are virtual assistant jobs that require good experience and good skill, but there are lots and lots of them that don't require that, and that's the way you can actually start off with. You can actually start getting virtual assistant jobs on some sites like Zitual, Fiverr, Upwork, Boldy, Belay, and Assistant Match. All these platforms can actually help you to just go in there, set up your profile, and start scouting for jobs. The ones you know you can actually get started with, and that way you start making money. And once you start getting money, then invest in yourself, get some more skills, some high-end skills that can actually pay you more. Okay, so that's it for that. Then the next one is start a blog. Actually, blog is one of the it's no longer news that blog is one of the ways you can actually make money online. In fact, it's among the oldest ways you can actually make money online. However, starting a blog could actually be very taxing because you need to invest weeks, if not months or years of hard work before it turns out fine. But nevertheless, don't be demoralized because blog pays very well. The moment you've put in that hard work and put in so much effort, the moment it starts paying off, you make lots and lots of money. And that alone is enough to set you up for life as an online entrepreneur. Okay, so now that you know these 5 ways to actually start making money online, it's now left for you to go out there, select the ones that best suit you, and start working on yourself. Go out there on online platforms that help you to, if you want to do freelancing, there are so many platforms out there that can actually allow you to get the job done. If you want to create an online course, there are so many materials out there for you to learn from and the rest of it. So go out there, get started, but always remember that you need to put in hard work, consistency, and persistence before you come out fine. Okay, so if you are getting so much value in this video, go on to like. And if you really want to make money online and also get new ways to make money online, then also go ahead to subscribe and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop content like this, you'll be notified. So thank you for watching and see you next time.